it's Mouse and I'm back for another video. This time, I'm going to be doing a Mr. Brownie Rich, Moist, and Fuzzy. It's already open. As you can see, there's one out because I had to heat it up. Because it says on there try hot, so I did warm one up. And also I'm going to try one cold. Something tells me the non-room temperature ones are going to be the better ones, but sometimes I will not be able to heat it up, so I might as well see. So I'm taking it on job sites or whatever. It's not always. Yeah. Well, it's not too bad cold. And now the warm one. I don't know if you can see it, but the chocolate chip there is melted. Got some chocolate on my finger from it.
Are you?
There's that. So we will see. Oh, that's not too bad, warm or cold. So, that's that. This is Mr. Brownie, or Mr. Brownie, chocolate brownie bite. And it is moist and fuzzy like it says. And it has Belgian chocolate, so you can only imagine. It's only $5 from Dollar Tree. And then, if you want to find out more, I'll just hold this up here. You can check out the QR code. There we go. Damn glare.
No, just get this, just get that.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a free dragon. It's a free dragon. They're going to get banned regardless. If you guys just wasted getting a dragon.
So, there's that. And
literally no one was there.
what was the company? Then just Mr. Good. Or Mr. Brownie? Mr. Good.
Guess what? That's a wasted dragon.
Yeah, I got good on the brain. Anyways, until next time, take care. Bye.